Good morning, fam. I just came here to purchase some tickets. My husband and I, we had to run home this morning because the internet stopped working last night and my cameras weren't working. So we had to go home, take care of that, get that going. Just came out of purchasing the tickets for H20 Live, so that's where we'll be going today. It is so beautiful over here. So beautiful. We're having an awesome time. This is like a family reunion again. I thank God for what he's doing once again. You know, sometimes you just, not sometimes, all the time, you just gotta leave things in his hands and trust him, believe him, keep praying and keep living, keep doing what you're doing, praising him, worshiping him, adoring him, and let him handle the rest. Some things is just out of our hands, out of control, and only God can do it. Okay, I got the tickets.
What are you talking about? Who are you talking to?
TV fam.
Oh.
And I like this, what they have up there. It says changes in latitude, changes in attitude. You can't see it because of the bushes over there, but we also have pillows in our rooms on the bed that says the same thing. And the food last night was so good. It was so good.
You were talking to somebody?
But I was talking to on the vlog.
Oh.
Headed back home to our little cottage. And again, this is day 2 of Shauma's birthday slash family, Shauma's 9th birthday slash family reunion trip. If you haven't already, make sure you watch day 1, because I know it's just too long for me to include all the footage into one video. So it will be broken up into 3 parts. So make sure you stay tuned for all of the videos. Never know what may be at the end of day 3 for those that watch all. You just never know. And one of the perks with staying here at Margaritaville is that you get 20% off of the Island H20 water park. And so I just came from the concierge desk to purchase our tickets, and he gave me 4 of these, which each one has a family meal deal for $24.99. Yeah, it's just so much that this trip has really been a great and awesome trip, and we just been really seeing the favor of God throughout the trip, and yeah, so thankful. I forgot to show you yesterday. I've been wearing, hold on, I show you yesterday. I've been wearing this bag that they brought me. I forgot when it was, for Mother's Day or birthday or something like that. You looking fancy.
No, she said looking fancy.
No, I said they looking fancy.
Okay, let's get started.
Y'all all blended and looking all colorful and stuff. Oh, y'all 3. Oh. Deja, a little girl at the top.
I was gonna wear something simpler that I don't stand out.
I hate that we all be dragging our feet. Pick up your feet.
My feet not dragging, that's y'all. We are in Paradise, Pelican's Paradise, and this is our cabana. Cabana 91 is ours. We have our own personal cooler, and this button here, we press if we want food, and they'll come and bring it to us. This is they'll bring ice and drinks. We have another cooler here, and I have on my little hat here. I got this hat a while ago, never wore it, and I just have on my white bathing suit, my blue see-through pants, and I had this top as I was walking on just to cover up. It is so hot out here. Waiting for everybody else. They're over by the what is that thing called? The wave pool. So we did the cabana in the kiddie area, but they have a wave pool. They have so many rides. You can see some of them up there, like that ride. Then they have like this ride here. They have a lot of, it's nice out here. It's really nice. And so anybody can come out here. You don't have to be staying at the Margaritaville Resort. Is just close by, but you can come in here if you just want to come here. So, yeah, this is the lazy river right here. And then that's the bridge that you get, that you walk over to get to the other part of the park. So that's just a quick little tour. for those who want to know.
I'm gonna go back and get it.
Where does he that in? Oh, in my phone.
Get ready to calm down.
Mommy, I was so scared. I rushed
I miss y'all
out.
coming
Like, I
down.
had a heart attack. I thought I was going to fall off.
You about
That
to
was
get
your
Jacob
first time?
and Elijah? I mean, Elijah and Doobie.
You can do it!
I didn't expect for it to go so fast.
Me too.
They just like, whoa.
I was scared of heights. Look. You go fast.
I know, it was so scary.
And you was talking about, oh, this baby ride.
Oh, that was cool, man. Hey, that second drop, I wasn't expecting that.
That's
That's a nice one, man.
Come on.
It's that last one you get?
What's next?
Drop.
Oh my
My
god.
heart went.
No,
Oh,
no,
How was it, Deja?
I thought I was on flip over.
Me too.
I was going too fast.
Oh my gosh, it was like this, and then this. That's how it was like. My heart was beating so fast. No, I was about to close my eyes and faint right on the slide, and I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh, my heart dropped.
It was so scary. When that second drop came, my heart was like, mommy, when that second drop came, my heart was like this.
I thought it was
Like,
just
it
gonna
was
be
so
regular.
fast.
Then I went.
That's exactly how it did to me.
They're going into the lazy river again. I'm going to go put my camera and my phone in our little safe that's inside our cabana, and then I'm gonna come back and join them in the lazy river. It's hot. They coming up.
Okay, let's go, come on.
Why you have to get the video?
You have to stay with your mom, I'm sorry.
But you said it's not frozen, it's temporary.
Then let's go to the lake.
Everything is closed.
Understand this license. Well, it looks like the you wait. Can't wait till it happens.
Which one is that? That one.
But you gotta wait. It's closed right now.
It is storming. It's pouring out rain outside, but we are all protected and covered because we are in the cabana.
You seen it? Wait, what?
Don't talk to her.
Hold on, I gotta cover up her goodies. Her lens is wide open. I gotta cover up her sunflower.
We got rained out They closed the
not
park for the day, but they gave us a rain check, so we get to come back for free. Oh, that's so, you know what? Have you noticed all these freebies we've been getting this weekend? Everything since Friday. But for real though, have you noticed the favor of God? Just showing up, just freebies here, freebies there, freebies everywhere. I'm here straight chilling. This is July.
Yo, get in the camera.
That's what's up.
What was SuddenYah saying?
She was talking about Shauma. It's starting to rain again.
I know.
They rained us out at the park earlier. So, well, not earlier, just not too long ago. We just getting back to the weekend getaway. Now we're about to go and get something to eat.
What y'all eating?
Still don't
So
know.
nobody not gonna get in hot tubs?
Not till we get back. It's starting to, you know, it's sprinkling.
That's what I'm saying. Y'all not gonna get in before.
No, we just put on our clothes. On our way to get some dinner. It's just right here in the on the grounds, Margaritaville grounds. We're going through the lobby and go to the Euphoria restaurant. That's right in there. Elijah, we left him back there in the hot tub, and we're gonna take him some food back. It's still raining, but the sun has decided to come back out finally now at what, 7:13. So we're supposed to, I guess we may end up going back to the pool tonight. Not
Let me drop y'all off
sure.
because it's really.
It's really been a great trip. We would come back.
Man, when they
Okay, so if we come and we sit by ourselves, we will stay right here at the resort. That?
Mom, they can charge you resort fees and we just see valet parking, $35 a day.
No, you can park over there. This is valet, but you still can park over there.
Overnight? Without
Yeah, we
tow?
paid $33 overnight in Atlanta
Yeah.
for our valet.
But Mom, all of us in one small room.
No, I said if me and Doobie were to come, well, me and Doobie come back by ourselves.
When y'all come back by yourself?
I don't know, I'm
Not
just saying. What you mean?
Because we're going to be in Atlanta.
Thank you, darling.
You're welcome, darling.
There's a big, huge bug flying around that just came out from outside. As people screaming.
It's still in here.
Amen.
What is this? What is this?
Chicken fingers. Chicken fries.
Let's get you some sauces as well.
Chicken look good.
I was wondering what you were pointing to.
I touched it and I thought it was really coming out. I thought it was like broken or something. Look, Deja. Deja, I did this by accident.
It smells just like the resort. This is that smell I
She has
smell
that
in
bowl.
here. It smells so good.
Better make sure she doesn't walk out with that ball.
Oh, this is so good.
Can I have?
They're $34.99.
Cuba crust.
Rinse it. Let me use this, huh?
Cuba crust.
Cute, because that machine, is that machine gonna crunch it up or whatever? And
Chill out, child.
So what? Oh, I had a martini, not a margarita.
yes.
What's the
Chill
martini?
out. See how it's coming together?
But you know what margaritas is? That's what we only drink like at Bahamas.
Go. You have to be patient.
Or the pina colada?
You can't rush.
No,
When you're
the one I had
painting, you
tonight
cannot
was
rush.
Oh.
You have to take
No,
your
I like
time.
that thing we had when we first came in when they gave us a compliment.
You want stars?
Yes, no, I want like little stars, like dots down here.
So where is the sun gonna go?
It's just gonna go. You need like a dark yellow, cause that's like a big yellow.
But I don't want to open this yet.
SuddenYah upstairs by herself.
She don't, you know, she don't be messing with us.
She be in her own little world.
I'm gonna use this yellow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it like right here.
Yeah, I know, but I thought maybe she'll be scared in here.
Alright. And then a little.
Just go.
That's
Look at that. No harsh lines.
that's
I always dream, you know how like in the Notebook, how she just sits on her front yard and just paint and just put her hair up in front.
Oh.